Okay, we are continuing paving the inside. This is the reception area. We make the ground to be higher than the ground outside, so that there'll be no problem when there's too much rain. You see the water. See, whenever there's a rain, there's water everywhere. So we got to raise up the ground. That's why we're doing this. We made a ramp so Xiaofeng can use that car to carry more gravel over to this side, and then pave our way to the other side. So I made the connection, and I also connect the tube to the to that port over there. So you see we have Y filter, both for the drain and for the feeding tube. See that feeding tube has a smaller Y filter. So anyway, and that's so we're gonna use concrete to make a space, and then make a small door so we can open up and once in a while do some service. That's it. Now I'm gonna use sand to bury this area, so that we can put gravel on top and then move more stuff over to this area. To fill up the gaps underneath the gutters. That's it. And the other side, I'm not going to do anything because I don't have enough of this steel spring backed tubing. I ordered more, so we'll wait, because we are not going to use this part for passage. Eventually when we finish everything, we need to use brick to block this area and that area, so that the sand, the water in the sand bed could be stopped, and then force the water to coming back to the fish tank from here. So that's the idea. Okay, we finished leveling all the ground, most of the ground, basically make it flat, and also this area slightly more gravel will be needed. We connect both, and then we buried all the lines underground, so there's no problem. We just need to get a threaded elbow, and then a connector, connect to this tubing. This tube is long enough. It's long enough to go along this the bottom of the gutter, and coming down here, and then going up here to the top to feed the bubble generator. And for the other side, the line will be even simpler, because the line of feeding the soap liquid will be coming from here, the pipe to the right, and then an elbow, and then that type of tube to go here and go along here, because this is the center of the greenhouse. So 1 2 3 4 sections. 1 2 3 4 sections. So this is the center post. So then we pick that to make the tube go along the inside, inside the cavity, and all the way to the top So this is the center place, and then there will be a T to divide the line, between the west, over there, and the east. So and then and for each line there's a T also to make the liquid go this way, right? And then because that way the pressure is balanced, because we're feeding the water from the center. So and then the stopper there, and but for this side we're thinking maybe to make a U-turn, so that because that's south side, getting more sunshine, so we're thinking we could make the water cooling tube to go along the top of the gutter, top of the arc. That's the inner cover framing. So that way the water will also cool the south side of the inner skin. So that's the idea. So we'll see. We'll see. Then after lunch we'll probably do the electrical line here. This is the place we'll probably place a table here, and equipment desk. Then there'll be that's AC to DC. Then there'll be a DC line, 24 volt DC line to go underneath the ground, and going here, as you can see, Xiaofeng is make a box, something like this. Just use whatever leftover, right? Material to build a box, so to hide everything, the control, the DC power source, all here. Something like this. And then because this is the area that we need the control box, the most. So anyway, this is the door handle. So basically, should be on this side. Anyway, that's what we plan to do. We're going to test the slope of the sand bed, the bottom of the sand bed, to see how everything goes, and then if there's a big problem we can fix it before there is a major issue. I made a mistake of cutting the small piece out of this whole plastic sheet from the wrong position, so I should have cut that section so that won't have this problem. So I have to probably buy a new one. So anyway, we're gonna test it. 好，开吧。现在我们在打水，看看几条鱼出来哈，然后看看水的情况，流向的情况。这个那个是往这边走的，还好记在这儿，那儿要挡一下，对，这个砖头挡一下，让它水不要流到那儿，对。整个看那个情况这边跑到那个出去了，那得垫起来。这边太低了，过分低了。跑到这下边去了。太低了，结果水到不了那儿了。好，这回进来了。 哈哈哈。这边太低了啊，所以我来牵这个，都往这儿流了，水都往这儿流了，过分低了，这个要垫高一点。啊，不错，效果出来了，这个瀑布哈，这个量还不大，因为还有一些损失，后来应该就好了。那边也有出去的哈。你怎么对吧？知道了，这边太低了，垫高一下就行了。
这个死角就位置要高。
啊，对，这2个角对，让它高对。这边有些积水，所以那个稍微垫高一点。然后这个地方呢，整体的就太低，两头这头和这头都要高起来，让它水往这里流啊，是这样。Okay, eventually we decided to use a PVC pipe to let a simply extension cord go through and to stand the power here. There will be a box. Xiaofeng is making this box basically out of half of the PVC pipe, and then we're gonna place it here, so all the DC will be here and the control wire will be here too.